When we are starting a business, we are looking at proper billing software, my friend. Why we are looking at proper billing software? The billing software, it should be more comfortable in your business, because the billing software same like our specs. We are wearing it from morning till evening every day. So in that case, we need a proper POS billing software. It will cover all your needs like inventory management system, your barcoding, labeling, billing, everything. In order to that, RAINTECH, we developed a beautiful billing software, RAINTECH POS. In this RAINTECH POS billing software, you can see in our channel itself, there is ton of updates are there, thousands of features are there. In billing system, there is some control systems are there, like for example, your salesman is there, he needs a separate login ID password. For example, your purchase manager is there, he needs a separate login ID password. All this is built in RAINTECH POS billing software. And the main thing in the billing software is customer support. You can watch RAINTECH Software Limited website. There you can find our live office. Our customer care team and our technical team, you can watch them live. They will help you in all aspects for like purchasing, adding inventories, creating barcodes, creating labels, creating your receipt, creating your customer invoices, all. In many cases, you need your separate style of format, separate design. Even for, in my experience, a lot of my customers, they ask me specific design for labels. This all we like. When we are starting a business, we have a concept. In order to meet that concept, RAINTECH have a special team to develop and create your templates. Once the template is created and fix it in your computer, you can use the same template or multiple templates, and you can meet your needs. You can meet your ambitions. That is RAINTECH POS billing software. In the beginning time, RAINTECH was providing software only for India. Now, RAINTECH, all the softwares are available in both GST and VAT editions. That means the GST version can use in India and the VAT edition can use for international. And many of the countries still there is no tax. In that case, also RAINTECH software can manage with your needs. In many of the foreign countries, there is some special requirements are there, special needs are there. So RAINTECH software, they can modify, they can design your needs as per your requirements. They can modify. The main goal is that more and more customer satisfaction. From RAINTECH side, you will get a proper, genuine customer care support. From morning 10 a.m. to evening 5:30 time, RAINTECH customer care team are available in Indian time. Or you can directly email us or directly call us, directly WhatsApp us, and our dedicated team is already there to make support for you. And one thing we can assure very clearly, our team, they will fix your hardwares, they will fix your software, they will install the software in your PC. They will install the connectivity from PC to hardwares like printers, scanners, yani multiple computer connectivity. Like for example, we have sharing system. For example, 3 or 4 PCs there and 3 4 counters are there. This all requirement our customer care they will do for you. There is a solution, there is a channel is called AnyDesk or TeamViewer. Such a software will help to share the remote sharing system like desktop sharing system, so that easily we can fix all your requirement in very quick time. And RAINTECH will provide solution not only for POS, like your websites. For example, RAINTECH is not making website like in WordPress. It is clear PHP platform. Why? Because the WordPress projects, for example, what we call some plugins is expired and you will need to pay again and again and again. It is such a big disturbance for the customers. That's the reason RAINTECH developed a proper PHP website for grocery and supermarkets, especially because in that website you will get a proper website plus admin control panel plus your delivery boy applications, any home delivery application, customer mobile application. This all features is available. You can call us, you can check the demos, because this all we created for make your business easy. Most of our customers, they demand this one. They continuously ask for the website with payment gateway systems, with SSL, with hosting, with Play Store upload, all together everything we can do. Not only creating website and goodbye, no. All together for the complete solution. Even the training, how we can add the product, even in the Excel sheet, even in the website we provide the facility to upload the product through Excel sheets. This is I never seen in any of the online websites. Now we recently added a very small billing solution also for the offline customers. If the website is using normally for online customers, we recently added a billing application, offline billing application. Means if some offline customers is coming, you can do billing from the admin panel. That facility we added in RAINTECH POS, RAINTECH websites. So that also you can check the demos, everything, and some other software also is there from RAINTECH. And my main concern is that, main information is that our offline projects like billing software, like our garment, supermarkets, grocery shop and restaurant systems and all, it is made on VB.NET projects. VB.NET projects, it will install in your PC, it will be in your PC like that. And in the VB.NET projects, there was one disadvantage, like when the computer is damaged, computer is crashed or OS is damaged, something like that. In that case, your all data may expire, may be loose, yani you will lost everything, yes. In that scenario, what RAINTECH has decided, make a cloud backup system. If the customer, if our customer, whoever is using RAINTECH POS billing software, they can use our cloud backup system. It is free completely, cloud backup system. Every day or every week or every month, whenever you need, or if you feel your PC is getting damaged or something like that, take the backup. So your complete software data will be backed up on a special server, on a cloud server. You can format your PC. Our customer care, they can install the new software in your PC. They can do again setup for you, and you can get back your cloud storage. So when you was using before, the same data will be there. So there is no chance to lose your data in RAINTECH POS billing software. And also in RAINTECH POS billing software, you will get the most important things like marketing things. The billing software is not only a billing. We need to do our marketing also. We need to develop our business. Each one of our customer, they are taking RAINTECH POS billing software, their business need to be developed. For that, we implement already privilege card system in RAINTECH POS billing software. Privilege card is such a thing, it will grab your customers because there is a discount facility is there, and each sale they will get privilege points. In that case, your customers, they will stuck with you. Yani they will always will be your customer. This is the main thing. They will not go to other shops. This is the main thing. Even if you are selling 2 rupees more also, maybe you can manage your business. This is the one advantage is there, like marketing things also you can do. Even coupon code facility is there. You can send coupons to your customers. That also, for example, you need to make some target. You need to, in the end of the month, you need to do some targets. In that situation, you can use our RAINTECH POS coupon code system that will help you to develop your business. RAINTECH POS billing software in all the aspects, it is more user friendly, simplicity always there, because the software is daily updating new features, again and again and again, changing, refining, something like this. Every day the updates are going on. Based on these updates and based on our customer informations, we make more and more user-friendly software, RAINTECH POS billing software. For your business, whatever requirements is there regards to billing system, you can call our customer care. They are available from 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Indian time. They will help you. They will clear all your doubts for your business, and we can help you from our heart. You can call us 8078311945 or 86060931110. Both this number you can call, and you will get our customer care support. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.